Alright people, Big Ed here, working on the 1993 Harley ELECTRAGLIDE FLHS, working on the turn signals. I think I've got it figured out. I put the put two flashers on. I gotta figure out where I'm going to put them now. I'm going to put something around them, foam or something, to keep them from bouncing around and keep them separated a little bit. But I started going through these wires. This is for the headlight and the running lights, and there was one wire, I think it was the ground, that seemed to be in the wrong place. It's one of them black wires back here, back behind there. One of those black wires right there was in the wrong place. I put it in a new place, so watch it not work now. Turn the bike on. Got my headlight. Yep, front turn signal. Got tail light. Got rear turn signal on the right. I still got to hook up the wire for this one. It's that little blue wire right there. Now I'm doing the left turn signal. I got all the turn signals working, and the running lights, I got a little switch that goes from this wire to this wire. One of those little toggle switches. I'll be putting that on. I already tested it. The running lights both come on. I got high beam, low beam, high beam, low beam. I got the high beam on my speedometer, low beam. Let's see what else. Thought I had a horn. I guess I don't have the horn. It was working earlier. And I don't need a horn anyways. That's weird. Anyways, so I got all the lights working. That was my main concern. So now I gotta button everything back up. And put that wire in and put the hard bag back on in there and cover and all that crap. That's the fun part. Not. But what I was doing was taking my diagram. I swear I can never find anything. 1 minute's here, 1 minute's gone. I was looking for my manual. Oh, here it is. But I was going through all the wiring, and I started with the headlight. Make sure these wires were going to the right place. And then I started with the gray wires, which are for the running lights. And that's when I noticed that one of the wires was out of place. So if you don't have a manual, you should really get one. This is for a lot of different bikes. This is about $50-$60 book I got at the J&P Cycles. But these are all the bikes that it covers. It tells the years and everything. And they got different books, you know, for different models. But it's a lifesaver. Having that diagram in there really helped out on trying to figure out stuff. And some of the people that are subscribed to my channel helped out too. Earl. Big shout out to Earl. You know who you are. And Red Rider. It's a cute little redhead. Lives in Canada. She does a lot better video. She does it in one take. You know, where I got like 5 or 6 videos, but she does a video where she did a Dyna. I think it was a Dyna. And she put these on there. But her and her dad know a lot of stuff about motorcycles, and they have kind of like tutorials. And there's a couple other ones. I forgot the name of the other ones, but next video I'll give them a shout out. Anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Like always, peace out.